Yeah guys, what do you mean by time management? Managing the time. Frankly speaking, it is balancing your time. Yes. So balancing your activities, balancing your time means you do have to do lots of things. Knowledge is power. You will have lots of knowledge. By how we acquire knowledge, guys? When we explore ourselves and then we grab information. Those informations are considered as knowledge. So you can have the knowledge, but guys, what do you have to do? You have to balance your all knowledge. As in, like at the time of examination, what you do? Like you study throughout the semester. The moment the examination comes, you do collect all the informations which you have studied. And in your class, when you have taken certain notes, you just need to recall everything. You schedule your time for the preparation for the examination. Am I right? Before the examination comes, then only you start the preparation. Means scheduling the time. Right now, what you have been doing? You're just coming to the class, taking certain notes in the classroom, listening to the lectures, and then background your preparation is going on. But the moment the examination dates are announced, then what you do? You come up with your own schedule. That okay, I will have to cover all these subjects. Why? Because I should know that in which subject I am, like how much I am prepared for. And then you start putting the importance of that particular subject. If you may have not studied much in your class curriculum or during your class, what you do? You feel like I have to give this subject much more importance. That's where the time management comes into play. Time management is all about prioritizing your task. That whatever task you are supposed to do, you have to prioritize. People do think that I can be multitasking. I don't prepare right now. At the exam time, I will prepare. But even though at the time of examination or before the examination begins, you have to schedule, you have to plan your study. That in this subject, I am not that much strong. So I have to study a lot. So when I will be dividing certain time slot to this subject, I will be giving this subject much more priority than the other subjects. That's your effective time management skills that you have been already doing it. But you should understand that this time management which we are talking about, it should relate with your lifestyle. It should relate with your goal setting. Without goal setting, time management cannot be covered. Why we need to have a better time management? Because whatever goals we are fixing for ourselves, we have to completely quite focus towards it. So that can only be done when we are stick with certain time management skills.